If you've ever needed to track information on a website, whether it was sports headlines, auctions, weather, or financials, you'd have to load the website to view the updates. Well, with web slices in Internet Explorer 8, you can now automatically subscribe to and receive updates from web pages that change frequently and view the updates without having to load the entire website. So let's first discuss subscribing to a web slice. Websites like ESPN here with web slices will display the web slice icon on the toolbar. It's this green icon, and you'll also find it somewhere on the page. In this case, it's for our headlines. So if I want to monitor the ESPN headlines without having to go to this site, I can click this icon, whether it be on the page itself or on the toolbar. It really doesn't matter. I'll see the Internet Explorer dialog box appearing where I can add this particular web slice to my favorites bar. You can see the name of it. You can see the actual link. Click the Add to Favorites bar to do just that. It now appears on my favorites bar, which means I can go to other websites, continue working here in Internet Explorer 8. I'm just going to click my home button. Takes me to a different web page. If I want to monitor those headlines, I go to my favorites bar, click ESPN headlines, and I see links to each of those headlines. So I can read the headline itself, and if I want more information, simply click the link to go there. I'm going to click anywhere on the web page to close it up. Now, if you no longer want a web slice on your favorites bar, all you have to do is right-click it. And you'll notice from the pop-up menu, delete is an option. When you choose delete, you'll have to confirm you want to delete the web slice. It's going to move it to the recycle bin when you click yes, and it's no longer on your favorites bar. Now, just doing that, it doesn't actually turn off the automatic updates for web slices, as well as RSS feeds, by the way, that are turned on automatically when you add a web slice. So to do that, you would have to go to the Tools drop-down on your toolbar, choose Internet Options. Next, go to the Content tab, because it's here down at the bottom where you'll see a Settings button for feeds and web slices. Click Settings, and here you can see it's automatically going to check feeds and web slices for updates every day. Here's also where you can go to change the frequency if you wanted to, but if you want to just turn that off, deselect the checkbox, and you see some other options under Advanced as well. When you click OK again to return to Internet Explorer 8, you'll no longer be using those automatic updates. So remember to keep an eye on constantly updating information on a website. All you have to do is look for that web slice icon, and you'll never need to load the entire page to stay informed.